One of the biggest enemies of any gamer is input lag, which is the delay between pressing a button on your controller and the input being displayed on the screen. Hello, this is Serious Monkey, and these are 3 quick tips to reduce input lag. Modern TVs do a lot of image processing. This gives much better looking images, but causes the delay, or input lag. Therefore, most TVs have a so-called game mode. This will reduce the input lag, but unfortunately also the image quality. Usually the game mode can be activated within the settings menu. For modern Samsung TVs, press the menu button on the remote control, go down to General, then down to External Device Manager and turn on the game mode. On this Sony Brava TV, which is quite old, you can select different scenes. By selecting the game scene, you can't change many picture settings. This goes to show you that most TVs have a game mode. But if they don't, this is my next tip. So, I had an old Thomson TV which didn't include a game mode. On the PS4 you have 2 options. 180p, which stands for progressive scan, or 180i, which stands for interlaced scan. I found out that choosing 180p reduced input lag by quite a bit. The next tip is to change the controller communication method. If you've got the 2nd generation of the Dualshock 4, you can connect to the PS4 via Bluetooth or via USB cable. On your PS4, go to Settings, Devices, then to Controllers, and change the communication method to USB cable instead of Bluetooth. You probably won't notice a huge difference, but choosing USB over Bluetooth will gain you just a few extra milliseconds. If you want to tweak a few extra settings, there is a link to a Reddit thread in the description. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.